guys, what's up?
Oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh. Today was the best day of my life.
What? Are you serious? It was terrible. What happened?
Wow.
A good breakfast should include 3 of the following 4 groups: fruits and vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein.
Advantages to a breakfast are better focus and ability to stay on task throughout the day, better problem-solving skills, alertness, creativity, and increased hand-eye coordination.
Wake up! It's 7:10. Time for school.
I don't need breakfast. Nah.
So as you know, it's math test today. You know the drill, no calculators. Where's Ryan?
I don't know. I saw him yesterday. He was really hyped about the test too.
Oh, sorry I'm late, Mr. Wu.
I'm here.
I'm ready.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Try not to be late next time. Take the test.
Alright.
A lack of breakfast might result in tiredness or likelihood of experiencing fatigue early in the day, inability to focus, decreased alertness, less memory capacity, and higher chance of irritability or restlessness.
Amy, good job.
Yay.
A+. Ryan,
Look at that.
Ryan, I'm very disappointed. What happened to you?
I studied all night. What is this?
Every single one. What the heck happened?
F?
Yes.
See you after class? What are you gonna do to me?
5:30.
Ah, no!
So what do you guys have for lunch today?
I'm gonna buy lunch. My mom made me a sandwich like she usually does.
I need breakfast, so I just bought some donuts too.
That's so bad for you.
You're bad for me.
You didn't eat breakfast?
You know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Wait, can I just finish my story? So Amy, what are we doing for PE today?
I think we're having some free time or something.
Oh
like
really?
That. Yeah.
Wanna go one-on-one?
Not really.
Not really? You scared?
No.
Scared? Let's play!
By skipping breakfast, you're just setting yourself up to be tempted by unhealthy choices at work when hunger hits. If you don't give in to that hunger when you go to lunch, you're apt to overindulge due to being hungry. This might result in unwanted consequences.
Slow down there?
Nope. It's getting warmed up. Darn you, Amy! Darn you! You're lucky I'm not feeling that well.
Yay!
No!
Should have breakfast. Should have those donuts, boy. No. What did we learn today?
Nothing. To eat breakfast in the morning.
There are no words to paint a picture of you, girl. Your eyes, those curves, it's like you're from some other world.